tonight, dito kami ngayon sa Astoria. Kanina-kanina lang ay invite kami for a free dinner buffet. Ay nakakatuwa kasi here we are right now. Dito kami ngayon sa may Astoria, Boracay. And we are very blessed and privileged na bibigyan kami ng free buffet. Good for 4. Ayan, so I don't know this one. It's a celebration. First of is a week-long birthday party. Ayan. So, dito tayo ngayon. And so, ngayon, we are here. It is very beautiful and elegant place. Wow! Just look at it. Dito yung nag-invite sa amin si Kevin. Hi, ayan. So, we are very grateful na kami na-invite dito sa Astoria. And, ayan na. So, dito na kami ngayon. We are ready to dine in.